Welcome to this tutorial on how to edit pages in Shopify, a crucial skill for any online store owner. Editing pages is an essential part of maintaining and updating your website, and Shopify makes it easy to do so. First, you need to log in to your Shopify admin panel, which is the control center of your online store. Once you are logged in, click on the Online Store option in the navigation menu. Then select Pages from the drop-down list. This will take you to the Pages section where you can view and edit all the pages on your website. To edit a page, click on the page title, and you will be taken to the page editor. In the page editor, you can change the page title, add or remove content, and modify the page layout. You can use the rich text editor to format your text, add images, and insert links. If you want to add a new page, click on the Add Page button, enter a title for your page, and add your content. You can also set a specific template for your page, such as a contact page or a blog page. Another important aspect of editing pages is optimizing them for search engines. You can do this by adding relevant keywords to your page title and meta description. This will help your page rank higher in search engine results and drive more traffic to your website. When editing pages, it is essential to keep your content engaging, informative, and concise. Use headings and subheadings to break up your content, and make sure your page is easy to navigate. Finally, once you have made your changes, click on the Save button to save your page. You can then preview your page to make sure everything looks as expected. By following these steps, you can easily edit pages in Shopify and keep your online store up to date and looking its best. Remember to always keep your content fresh and engaging, and to optimize your pages for search engines to drive more traffic to your website.